Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XDC on your Ledger Nano X and want to transfer it to Bitmart for trading or storage, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the process step by step for 2025, making it simple and secure. Whether you're a crypto newbie or experienced, this guide will help you avoid common pitfalls and get your assets moving quickly. First off, why do this? Bitmart offers great trading options, and your Ledger Nano X is one of the safest ways to store crypto. Before we start, make sure you have your Ledger device updated, the XDC app installed on it, and your Bitmart account set up with a withdrawal address copied. Double-check that to prevent any errors. Let's dive in. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Open the XDC app on the device by navigating through the menu. Step 2. Launch Ledger Live on your computer, or if you prefer, use a compatible XDC wallet interface. In Ledger Live, select the XDC account from your dashboard to view your balance. Step 3. Click on the Send button in your XDC account. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Paste the Bitmart deposit address you copied earlier. Make sure it's correct, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Step 5. Review the transaction details on your computer screen. Then confirm on your Ledger device by checking the information displayed and pressing the right button to approve. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always use official apps and websites to avoid scams, and never share your seed phrase. If you're unsure, reach out to Ledger or Bitmart support. There you have it. That's how to send XDC from your Ledger Nano X to Bitmart in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.